Welcome back to the channel. This is Blur Backgrounds Fast with the Blur Photo Editor. Mm. So, first thing is download this application into your device. It will be available on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. And now, once you have downloaded it, you will just simply open it up. And now, from here, you will have an option to select a photo on your gallery, or you could take a photo right away, and you should be able to see here all of your project. So let's say I'm going to select a photo from the library. Now, guys, over here down below, you should have here multiple options of blur type and should be able to adjust the size over here. And after that, you could just simply select an area. And as you can see, if I select an area, it will show something like that. So from here, you could just simply edit it out and blur the background. And now you should have multiple options over here as well, like brush or eraser if you want to erase the blur. And pretty much you could just simply customize it and edit the part that you want to blur. And once you are done, you would just simply select save on the top right corner of the screen. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.